Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you will be fine, dear students. Today in this class, once again, we are here to discuss another topic which is much more important. So today we will learn about past indefinite of Arabic language. In Arabic language, there are 14 forms of past indefinite. And having understood these forms, you will be able at least to speak a few words in an Arabic language. Okay, dear students, so you are expected to stay connected to us in order to learn more and more Arabic language, in order to speak Arabic language fluently and naturally. Okay, dear students, so let's move on the main topic which we have to discuss here today. Past indefinite. Before starting this topic, let me explain one thing. In Arabic language, each and every verb has a pronoun. Obviously, you are able to know the idea of verb. What is verb? Verb is an action, like in English language, okay? But as far as the Arabic language is concerned, so each and every verb has a pronoun in itself. Where there is a verb, there is a pronoun in Arabic language. So that's why we are expected to learn more and more about even pronouns of an Arabic language. So there are three types of pronouns. In each and every language, there are three types of pronoun. First person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. What is meant by first person pronoun? Like the person who is speaking is the first person. Right now I am speaking, I am the speaker, I am talking, I am discussing. So I am is a first person. Like I, in English language, I is a first person pronoun. In Arabic language, ana means I. Okay, so I is a first person, the person who is talking, the person who is speaking, who is delivering a speech to the other, in front of other people. Okay, this is what we call first person. What is meant by second person? Suppose if I am speaking, suppose some of the students are sitting in front of me. So the students, the people who are sitting in front of me would be called second person. Okay, in English language, if I say what are you doing, so you is the pronoun and it is a second person. Likewise, in an Arabic language, if I say madha taf'al, so here anta word is hidden in taf'al. So anta means you, so anta means you, anta is a second person. Okay, so I am speaking, I am a first person. The people who are sitting in front of me and who are listening to me would be called second person. And if I talk about the person who is not sitting in front of me, who is not present at the moment in front of me, that person would be called third person. Okay, so I am first person. The person sitting in front of me would be the second person, and the person we are talking about, and that particular person is not here at the moment, who is not present at the moment, that person would be called the third person. Like I first person, you second person, and he, she, they would be the examples of third person. The same would be the case in an Arabic language. Okay, dear students, so let's move on the main topic. If I say fa'ala, fa'ala is a past indefinite. What is meant by fa'ala? Fa'ala means, dear students, fa'ala means he did. Fa'ala, so fa'alun, doing something. Fa'ala means he did. The translation of fa'ala, he did. Okay, so look at the whiteboard. There is a single word, but it is conveying dual meaning. It is giving the meaning of the two words in English language. He did. So fa'ala means did. So this he, how we can say that the he word, the he pronoun, is he here or not? This he is here. How? Let me explain. Fa'ala means he did. So In this word fa'ala, there is a pronoun which is not shown, which is hidden. There is a hidden pronoun huwa. Huwa. Huwa means he. Okay? Huwa is a pronoun which is hidden. Which is hidden in this word, in this verb fa'ala. So that's why I would like to write here huwa. Huwa. And this huwa, which means he is a subject. Huwa is a subject. So fa'ala is a verb and huwa is a subject. Fa'ala means did, huwa means he. So fa'ala means he did. So this is the beauty of an Arabic language. Even there is a single word, we articulate fa'ala, but it means he did. So the word is single, but there are two meanings this word is conveying. Okay. Now the next thing is how to elaborate this form fa'ala, how to explain, how to demonstrate. Okay, let me explain this. Fa'ala, obviously this is a singular. Okay, singular. Just I have used the term clipping. Sing means singular. Okay, so obviously if it means he did, so obviously this is a singular and obviously it is male. Okay, because I am saying he did. So if I wanna say she did, there would be another form of a verb. Okay, fa'ala doesn't mean she did. Fa'ala means only he did, past indefinite. Okay, so singular, male, and it is third person. Third person. The pronoun is he is third person. So this is the explanation, elaboration, description of a form, and it is necessary for each and every student to be understood regarding this form. So if you are able to describe this form, it means you are able to understand the Arabic language. Okay, dear students? So we have completed one form, and keep this thing in your mind that there are 14 forms. There are 14 forms of past indefinite in an Arabic language. Okay, so fa'ala means he did. Explanation is singular, male, third person, and the subject is huwa, which has been hidden in the word fa'ala, in the verb fa'ala. Okay, the next verb is fa'ala. Fa'ala. Obviously, okay, before this you have to discuss, you have to understand one concept that is much more important for you. You know, in English language there are two steps. Either the word is singular or plural. Okay, singular means the word which indicates one entity, and plural is a word which indicates more than one entities. Okay, singular means one person, plural means more than one person. But not is the same case with this Arabic language. How? In Arabic there are 3 steps, okay, rather than 2 steps. In English there are 2 steps regarding singular and plural, but in Arabic language there are 3 steps: al-wahid, at-tasniya, al-jam'u. Wahid is a word which shows one entity, which shows one person, which indicates one person. And tasniya, which we call dual. Okay, tasniya means 2. Tasniya is a word which shows 2 entities, not 1, not 3, except 2 entities. There is no flexibility. Okay, so wahid means one entity, tasniya means 2 entities, 2 persons, and jama, which we call plural. Jama means more than 2 persons, more than 3 persons, sorry, more than 2 persons, more than 2 entities. So there is a little bit difference between Arabic and English language, because in English there is only singular and plural, while in an Arabic language there is singular, then tasniya, then plural. And the plural of Arabic means more than 2. despite the fact that the plural of English means more than one. So just keep this thing in your mind. Okay, so now he did. Fa'ala means which kind of changing we have adopted here. We have added alif. Fa'ala. Obviously you can say it is a suffix. Okay, it is a suffix. Alif. Fa'ala. We are stretching. Fa'ala. So here alif means two. Fa'ala, in the verb fa'ala, the alif means two. So now the meaning would be like that: they both did. They both did. Okay, he did means he one did, they both did, and here both means males. Like here he means male, here both means males. So they both males did. Okay, this is the translation of fa'ala. Fa'ala means they both did, and they means they males. They are males and they did, and they are two persons, not one, not three, exact two persons. So fa'ala means there were two persons who did, and they are not present right now, because we are talking about third person. Okay, so the explanation of the form would be like that: singular, not singular, we will say dual. Okay, dual, and dual means tasniya in Arabic. Dual, male and third person. Third person, dual, male and third person. Okay, now in the verb fa'ala there is huwa, which has been hidden. Okay, now fa'ala, here the pronoun is alif. This alif is a pronoun. Okay, so alif is a pronoun which means two. This is a pronoun of third person. This is a pronoun of two third persons. They both males did. Okay, dear students. So the next word is fa'alu. The next verb is fa'alu. We have added as a suffix waw. Waw. Waw means plural. Waw means they did, and they means more than two. Here they means more than two. They did. Here they means more than two. More than two. We need to explain this because in English language the word they is a common word for the two persons and for the three persons as well, but not is the same case with an Arabic language. Okay, in Arabic language alif means two males third persons, and waw means more than two. Okay, they did means they all did. You can say they all did. Okay, so now the explanation of the form would be like plural, and here plural means more than two. Plural, male and third person. Okay, dear students, plural, male and third person, and here the pronoun is waw. Okay, so all these pronouns are subjects. Okay, in fa'ala huwa is a subject, in fa'ala alif is a subject, in fa'alu waw is a subject. So we have completed just first three forms. There are total 14 forms. Okay, dear students, so I think it is enough for today's lesson. Okay, we will be completing this conjugation, this paradigm. These 14 forms would be completed in the next multiple lectures. Okay, we have just read about three forms. In the next lecture there would be more three forms, then there will be more three, and then inshallah we will be able to complete even the first past indefinite tense in an Arabic language. So far you are expected to memorize these things. Fa'ala, he did. Fa'ala, they both males did. Fa'alu, they did. And they means here males, not females. Because as far as the feminine and females are concerned, in Arabic language there are the other forms for elaboration. There are the other forms to describe females. Okay dear students, keep watching this channel. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.